We've all heard the horror stories about ear piercings gone wrong. Uneven piercings because you came on a cost of the procedure and went to the sketchy place down the street. Post-piercing infection because your new cleaning routine lasted all of 5 days. And who hasn't experienced the pain of using the pointy starter earring to basically re-pierce your ears because you took them out too soon? We spoke to a few jewelers who offer ear piercing services in their stores, and they spilled the experts' beans on 6 of the biggest ear piercing care mistakes and tips on how to clean pierced ears. Avoid the tragedy of ear piercing horror stories by steering clear of these 6 ear piercing care mistakes. Number 1. Dirty hands. If you touch your new piercing with hands that haven't recently been washed, germs will transfer and could lead to an infection. This may sound obvious, but it happens enough that it's worth nothing. Always, always, always wash your hands before touching your newly pierced ears. Number 2. Hair products. Your hair holds on to anything and everything it encounters throughout the day. It contains the shampoo, conditioner, and product from this morning, plus all the bacteria and dirt that happen to be floating around the air you walked through today. To prevent bacteria from transferring from your hair to your new piercings, by throwing your hair up at night, at least for the first month. Keeping it pulled back and away from your ears will not only reduce the risk of infection, but will also keep it from getting caught on your earrings while you sleep. Number 3. Wrong cleaning solution. Everyone suggests different ear cleaning solution to use, so it's hard to know which is the right choice. First, use the saline solution your piercer gave you every day, twice a day. Apply it to the front and back of the piercing with a clean cotton ball, and then twist the earring a couple times while it is wet. If that doesn't seem to do the trick, jewelers suggest trying Bactine or rubbing alcohol. Warning: rubbing alcohol may sting a bit when you use it. Also, if you find your skin is getting too dry, stop using it and switch to something gentler. Only you know your body and can judge what works best for you. Number 4. Premature earring removal. Don't take your earrings out too early. They will close rather rapidly. Leave earrings in for 6 to 8 weeks, giving your ears time to heal. Number 5. Leaving earrings out too long. Yes, you can take your earrings out after 6 to 8 weeks if they feel ready, but don't leave them out. They will still close quickly since they are relatively new. Leave your earrings in as often as you can for roughly a year before going extended periods without them. Number 6. Cheap earrings. You've done your time. The long 2 months wait is over. Don't ruin that progress by switching the possibly boring and high-quality earrings out with those super cute $3 earrings you just scored. Jewelers suggest wearing 14K yellow gold earrings consistently throughout the first year, because yellow gold is more pure than most metals. They recommend not using white gold, because it may be mixed with nickel, which could possibly lead to an infection depending on your skin sensitivity. During the first year, your ears may be more sensitive, and the last thing you want is an allergic reaction. Take care of yourself, and now up to another video. Peace out.